Hello, hello, welcome to my Quickbook tutorials. In this tutorial I would like to um, discuss in detail the data of fast food Subway restaurant. The data is actually collected in a Microsoft Excel worksheet. We would be first analyzing that data. Is many of you might know that in the restaurant on the counter one software is there, and the software is called point of sale software, or POS we call it in shortcut, POS software. The cashier of restaurant record the sales transaction throughout the day and throughout the night in the point of sale software, and the closing is run in the midnight at 12 a.m. and that report then come to the account department, and an accountant recorded selecting some recorded selected transaction from that report, which is needed in accounting, because all the transaction in the POS report are not recorded to account. In the account we are only recording summarize sale of the day, for example credit sale, food panda sale, and also in restaurant throughout the day some expenses are happening. The expenses which is occurred on every day is small purchases, wages payments, and cleaning items that is required for the operation of restaurant. We'll be discussing all these matters, and in the next video we'll analyzing the data collected of the restaurant in the Microsoft Excel worksheet, and then the same data will be recording in the QuickBook in order um, to make accounts of the restaurant, monthly accounts. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for being with me. See you in the next video. Bye.